I got a 26 service, Hollywood Private Hospital. Yeah guys, so just got on a 26 service. There's someone at the front. So now, welcome to episode 1, I guess, of airport line routes being removed. Today we're covering Route 26. I just got on somewhere in the city because Route 26 actually, there is no unique stops on it. So that means other routes cover all sections of Route 26, which is why I'm not considering this to be a very important service to film, because it's gonna be removed, but you can just take other buses. All it is East Perth to Queen Elizabeth II Medical Centre. So just passing through Kings Park right now. Okay, we're just gonna film the rest of the journey now. We're already at the medical center. So I know on Discord you guys voted that I should be filming from the front for this stuff, but that means I can't talk and comment on the routes. So on more significant routes which do have unique stops, I'll go to the front because I need to film that journey. But for routes such as this, which you can still drive on this road with like 10 other routes, including the Purple Cat, I'm just going to film from the back. Yes, so the journey is actually really fast, only about 20 or so minutes, and yeah, it can be even less in public holidays. It starts at East Perth Terrace Road and terminates in Queen Elizabeth II Medical Centre next to Hollywood Private Hospital. So basically follows the route of the Purple Cat all the way from Elizabeth Quay to here. Still following the route. Perth Children's Hospital up here. The only major thing that we want to see with this is how the bus terminates at Hollywood and then goes away not in service. And I'll film it as it starts a route outbound in about 10 minutes after terminating. So here we are almost at the end of the route now, still following the Purple Cat, but now after this point we are going to turn right, and then it will just terminate 2 stops after where the 950 turns down towards the river. Right turn here. Yeah, the person in the front's getting off now, but I'm not moving there. That'd just be weird. Now we've gone past the roundabout where the 950 turns down. So this part of the route is pretty unique, although Route 25 also goes here. Here's Hollywood Private Hospital and Medical Center, and I think the stop should just be around here. That's the second last stop right there. It's the next stop, and we'll get off. We are. Okay, there it goes, Route 26, 2873. We'll take a look here at the terminus stop. So this stop is also for the Route 25. Which you can see is the majority of the service. There is a once a day 26 service which extends to Shenton Park Station at the moment, as you can see on the sign. Yeah, but this is the terminus. in front of the hospital. I've actually never been here before. So this route is now going to be removed and no buses will be terminating anymore here. We'll only have Route 25. Starts on the other side. I think 2873 is coming back to do the return service now. So it's actually gonna start in 10 minutes. I'm not gonna get on that, but I will just film actually. Yeah, it's like going to the other side to finish the route. I'm not going to get back on the bus, but here it is, a Route 26 passing through Hollywood's private hospital. Oh yes, it changed now. It says East Perth on it. I'm just going past now. Take a picture for a good thumbnail shot. As the bus pulls into the bus stand here. It's gonna wait for 10 minutes now before it leaves, so just gonna head down a little bit and film it further down the route. Okay guys, I've come down to bus stop number 17386. This is the one just before the terminus. You can see the bus out there in the distance at the terminus. This one will also not be served by Route 26 anymore. Also got the little pole on the other side where it won't be served, but then after that it's just the 950 area anyway. So it's coming down now, here it is. Taking a trip back to the city. It's the last time you'll see 26 return on a bus through this area. And there it goes. So that was it basically. Just gonna head back to the city now, and I might get one more clip of a 26 going through the city for the last time. Okay, that actually took a really long time to get all the way back here. It's public holiday timetable, so had to take a 950 along the river, and now this 299 to get over here. Literally just for like a 20-second clip of the 26, which is just down there about to go past. It's now already an hour since the last one left. And that'll be it. Quick video. I need to do this like 10 more times because there is 10 bus routes being removed. I mean, film 10 more removing bus routes. And this, in my opinion, I think is the least major one. Yeah, it is. So I started off with this one. There's a lot of others I still have to film. Let's just watch it go past now. Okay, it's coming down the road now. The only real significance of this is last time that you see a bus driving through the city with the number 26 on it on the display. Thing is, same bus as before, yeah. It keeps driving up and down. Here it is. The driver must be very confused why I'm following him around. So there it goes. And that's it. Now I'm gonna head home. Today I filmed Showgrounds trains, which you can watch in the other video. And this one bus route. Now there's a lot more to film in the next 2 weeks, so can't go now though. It's already 5:30. That's the end of this video. Bye.